Welcome to the Salesforce Headless 360 course. This course is designed to be a complete practical guide to Salesforce Headless 360 and understanding how the Salesforce platform is evolving in the modern AI era. It begins with the fundamentals and progresses all the way to using Salesforce from external platforms such as Slack, Claude, chatgpt, Microsoft Teams, Cursor, and Agentforce Vibes 2.0. The journey starts by understanding what Headless 360 actually is and answering one of the most important questions in the Salesforce ecosystem right now. Is Salesforce Headless 360 really going to replace the Salesforce UI completely? Or is it an architectural shift that makes Salesforce accessible across multiple platforms using APIs, MCP, and modern headless architecture? We compare the traditional approach of working with Salesforce application versus the modern headless approach. You will understand how Salesforce is gradually making the entire platform accessible through APIs, MCP tools, and CLI commands. Next comes MCP. We will deeply understand what MCP is, why Salesforce is investing heavily into it, and how MCP is becoming the backbone of Salesforce headless architecture. The course then dives into Salesforce Agentic enterprise architecture. Each architectural layer is broken down step by step to understand where AI agent operates, where MCP resides, where APIs fit into this architecture, how reasoning happens, and how communication flows between systems internally. This is a fully hands-on course. Throughout the journey, real Salesforce integration and practical headless use cases are implemented step by step, not just discussed theoretically. After building the architectural understanding, we move into Salesforce hosted MCP servers. You will learn what each MCP server does, the purpose behind every server, how Salesforce exposes capabilities through MCP, and how to decide which MCP server should be used for different AI and external application. The course then demonstrates how to set up the standard Salesforce MCP server with Claude end-to-end and use Salesforce directly from Claude using headless architecture. Next, Salesforce MCP servers are configured with chatgpt to access Salesforce capabilities directly from OpenAI interface. After understanding standard MCP integration, we move into custom MCP development. You will learn how to make your own Salesforce org fully headless by building custom MCP servers. Custom MCP tools are developed using flows and Apex so that external system and AI agent can execute organization-specific business process without depending entirely on Salesforce UI. Next comes conversational interfaces. You will learn how headless architecture enables Salesforce access directly from collaboration platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Slack. Slack is now positioned by Salesforce as the front door of agentic experience. So the course explores how Slack bots and Slack workflow can help users complete day-to-day operations directly from Slack without opening Salesforce. The course then moves into AI-assisted Salesforce development. You will learn how Headless 360 is making AI coding assistant organization aware so that AI systems do not just generate code, but actually understand Salesforce metadata, architecture, and context before building solutions. Full Salesforce context is provided to Cursor to build scalable Salesforce component end-to-end with complete organization awareness. The course explores the latest Salesforce advancements around Agentforce Vibes 2.0, including the new 60+ coding skills, MCP capabilities, and AI-assisted development of workflows that are changing how Salesforce applications are built from any ID. The goal of this course is to give you a complete practical understanding of Salesforce Headless 360 so that you can stay ahead of one of the biggest architectural shifts currently happening in the Salesforce ecosystem. So we have a lot to learn in this course. Let's get started.